they clubbing, they chilling, they...
Or do you need some money?
How could you do this thing to me? Didn't you tell me that MP is your uncle?
Okay, let me explain.
What explanation can you give? You have nothing to say. Absolutely nothing. Your cup has run over. I mean, it's full.
Okay.
You smile. I'm funny. I am crazy. I look funny. So, you laugh at me.
It's not like that, please. Okay, the fact is, he's not my real uncle, okay? But he represents my uncle in the States, in our family issues, okay? I know why I introduced you to him as my cousin. I want him to help you. Okay? Look at me.
Are you sure he will help me?
Why not? Let me talk to him first, okay?
Alright.
Come on, sit down. So, what are we doing for the day?
Yeah, going out tonight.
To where?
Get the good time. I mean, to Kirabi, of course.
Okay. I know I can never lie to you.
You know.
Did you get for some drink? I even forgot.
No, I'm okay. I'm okay.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm okay. I want you to be on my side and hold me in your arms.
Dorothy! Dorothy!
Yes, darling.
Don't forget my jacket. The one I wore yesterday, that's what I'm going to use, alright?
Okay.
And be quick, we're running out of time.
I'll be with you very soon.
Cheers.
Jesus Christ. Yeah. Never end. Kwame Johnson, what is this? Huh? What is this? Kwame Johnson, what is this? Huh? Oh, you smiling? Huh?
Sure.
What is this? Oh, see, I have caught you red-handed today. What is this?
Oh, come on. Red-handed. Red-handed what? Dorothy. Is that not condom?
They are.
So, you've now forgotten my duties and responsibilities as an MP.
And what are they doing in your pocket?
Condoms.
Uh-huh.
We use them for our AIDS awareness campaign for the these people AIDS for our constituency executives.
Hey. Already. Kasruwa.
You are my sweetheart.
And when was that?
It was only it was yesterday. Yesterday. Oh, sweetheart.
Hey, God. Look at the way you've buttoned your jacket. Just take a close look at it. See, because you were lying, look at the way you've buttoned your jacket.
Too much on my mind. It's a lot on my mind.
I know.
Pressure.
I know.
Pressure.
Thinking about how to distribute your condoms.
Oh.
Throughout all the constituencies.
Dorothy.
So you are now MP for condoms, eh?
Oh. What?
Yes.
What?
Because I saw it inside your pocket.
Hurry up, let's go.
I've finished.
Now put these things on.
See, it's better I put it back in your pocket.
No!
Oh, let me put it back in your pocket.
Put it in the bedroom. Sweetheart, what are you doing? Come on, hurry up.
Aren't you taking it?
Whoa! Sweetheart, stop what you're doing. You see the confusion you created this early morning? I gotta go to Parliament. You know what I mean?
Creating confusion for you?
Oh, come on, put those
Let me
things.
throw it back inside for you.
No!
Maybe you're going to use it today.
No! We'll finish the campaign.
I see.
Let's go. Please.
I'll keep it here for you.
Are you putting them in your bag?
Yes. I'll drop them in the bedroom when we come back. Let's go. MP for condoms. Man.
Pastor.
Yes, doctor.
I don't know how to break this news to you.
Doctor, please, what is it? Has my wife developed further complications?
No.
Doctor, then what is it? You see, the Bible says in 1 Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 18 that in all situations we should give thanks and praise to God. So please, tell me, I can handle it.
Pastor.
Yes.
You have tested HIV positive. Your blood to the lab for examination. It was positive.
Doctor, me? Hey, HIV positive? Doctor, that's impossible. I mean, doctor, how? How?
So, Pastor, if there is voluntary testing for HIV, will you go for it?
Why not? He who has no skeletons in his wardrobe is not afraid to open it. My wife and I were virgins before we got married. And since then, I've never had an affair with any woman apart from her.
Look, Pastor, you can't be sure like that. Eh? Okay, what about if your wife has been having an affair that you don't know?
Are you sure the lab technicians did not make any mistake?
I have personally supervised the test. I couldn't believe the reports and requested for the test again. And I supervised it myself.
Hey! Hey! Me! HIV positive! Hey! I'm dead! Hey! 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 HIV positive.
Hey girl. Hi, come. Yeah. So what's new? Come. Let me tell you something. You want to hear something? Huh? Ah! This is my new couch. Oh yeah?
Gloria,
What is this? A man of God? No, not to this extent. Please don't drag a man of God into this.
Bennett, I not tell this man that I'm holy, okay? He knows I am a spoiled girl and he proposed to me. Please.
Gloria, you have spoiled this man. He did propose to you?
Yes. Let me tell you. That man of God is a spoiled man. He's based in Accra. And he came for a program, and at the end of the program, he organized counseling.
And you did attend the counseling?
Yes, I did. And he asked me, if a pastor proposes to me, would I tell my friends? And I told him that is my private life, and I don't discuss that with my friends.
And
he gave me his card to call him in the evening. I called him and he took me to a guest house. And that was it. He treated me really good. Jesus.
A man of God.
Try it. They will treat you good. Listen, a man won't be the problem, eh? You know, I like men like that. Don't worry. And they don't give problems. They are very, very cool. Hey, you think pastors are Jesus, huh?
I'm surprised.
Okay. Don't worry.
So do we say cheers to that again?
You understand it?
Pastor, how are you?
Doctor, I'm fine. Doctor, I have finally decided to tell my wife. I can't hide it from her.
That is a good idea. She is your wife. She must assist you. Well, I need both of you for counseling.
All right.
Something is wrong, man. Something is wrong. I mean, are you not sure there's something going on between the ankle and the knees?
What do you take me for? Huh?
You know, I'm beginning to suspect. I mean, every time this man comes around, are you his political advisor or something?
Please, don't go that far. I told you my uncle in the States wants to come down with his American wife. And he wants us to prepare for him. So we were planning how to organize it.
It's scary. I'm not okay.
Let's go inside. You have nothing to worry about. There's nothing to worry about.
I don't understand. It's scary, man. It's scary.
Sweetheart, I've been so busy, huh?
Sweetheart me. Why are you coming home at this time of the day?
Sweetheart, come on. I've had the tightest schedule you can ever think of.
Always busy. Always busy. I know.
You can't believe it. From the secretary down whatever. We have been so busy, sweetheart. You see, I was writing my constituency reports. My constituency reports. Yes.
So, it wasn't going to take you 4 hours to complete this report?
As if you knew. It takes me less than 4 hours. But as soon as I completed the report, the president himself called for an emergency cabinet meeting to discuss my nomination. And then after that too, I had to take the report to my constituents so that we can discuss the reports. So.
Now tell me, are you the only MP? Or you want to tell me you are the only busy MP?
Sweetheart, what are you implying?
Confusion, maybe you.
What are you implying? You want to accuse me? Please, give me a break. Get me something to eat. I'm hungry, okay?
Men. They always have an excuse.
My dear, I'm working very hard as an honorable member of parliament. Kwamena Johnson. Look at me. I've got it all. I'm working hard. Even the president himself has nominated me to become a minister. Very soon I'll become a minister. And then you'll be parading yourself around. Minister's wife. Minister's wife. Minister's wife. Indeed. Women. They go sniffing for things fishy that are not there.
Visiting my constituents and doing this, writing report upon report, each and every day. Go on writing reports.
Please come. Yes, Could you please go with me to the house so that I can buy some of your bananas?
Okay, sir.
All right, get inside.
As easy as it looks, so sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. The step you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time, so beware, beware, oh, beware, beware.
Boyen to Boisier, Tidia Woya Biana Botre, Okosajifa would me penny chair, Adia will be done, she will be a brave. So Binima will be trained, President Yamidi said the Bia one and Ray. The Jai said, Walk remember to pray, and I can see Comeko for your Honaya. The Kana wants our panty, the other so would not want to be in our share. So who you never know that you were crunchy, but also cram my whoa, so when you
life is not as easy as it looks, so sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. The step you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a chance.
Do you care for some water?
No, please.
Okay, sit down.
Thank you.
Oh, God. Ajara, how much do you make in a day?
Master, I don't calculate, but I don't make much. At least half a loaf of bread is better than nothing.
I see. Sit down.
Thank you.
If somebody should give you money, I mean, real big money, would you stop this business?
Of course, sir. Every day, I must walk in the sun before I get something to eat. I'm looking for some capital. As soon as I get it, I will quit this business.
I see. Oh, come on, sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Ajara,
Master.
my wife has traveled. If I should give you 500,000 cedis, would you sleep with me?
Master, are you serious? Are you teasing me?
I'm dead serious.
Okay, you give me the money first. And if you want me to pass the night here with you, I'll do it.
Money is no problem. Yeah.
For me?
Yes.
Hey, thank you, sir. Thank you. May Allah bless you. Thank you. Thank you.
Come on, let's go inside.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You might be wondering why I should go in for a banana seller. I don't care about classes. I don't care whether you are a AHWEYIE seller or salt seller. Just give them a better deal and they are yours. Beware. You are my next victim.
Life is not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. The step you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time. So beware.
Bravo yen to boisier. Tide wo ye bia no nyabotre. Okosa jifa wodi me panyenche. Ade wo ho be da no hwe wo bia ho abre. So bi ni ma wo bi tre. Feso jinya me de se bi bia wo ne mre. Ye jai se wo krome ma to pre. Ena kwesi krome kokkodwo ho na yare. Ye kana wante wo kwante ade. Ye de se wo jira ho no hwe ye na wa hwe ase. Se wo ho ye na go no be che wo krache. Baba so kra man wo so we ni ate.
Life is not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes